Prudent Media News. First a look at the top stories. Youth Congress to go on hunger strike from Thursday. Dawrikar refutes all the charges, says agitation is getting personal. Around 3,000 casino employees protest against the hike in casino entry fee. Hold a protest march in the capital city. Sarpanch and Deputy Sarpanch across Goa form All Goa Panchayat Democratic Forum, demand scrapping of Goa Panchayat Raj Amendment Bill. Government fails to take decision on grading system. Board says no grading in this academic year. Jobs, marks and leave provisions in sports policy to be implemented immediately. Sports as optional subject from next year, says VM Prabhudesai. And sports fraternity thrilled with the approval of Goa sports policy. Now the news in detail. Youth Congress has decided to go on a hunger strike from Thursday as a mark of agitation against the high security registration plates. Transport Minister Sudhin Dawrikar has brushed aside the allegation of receiving any monetary benefits with regards to high security number plates. Dawrikar has said that the agitation is becoming personalized.
Youth Congress has decided to go on hunger strike from Thursday as a mark of protest against the HSRP. It will be a chain hunger strike with 50 youths participating every day. Youth Congress President Sankalp Amonkar gave us more information.
गोवा प्रदेश यूथ काँग्रेसीन आमी डिसायड केलेले आसा की फाल्यांच्यान आमी एक चेन हंगर स्ट्रायकाचेर वयपाचे आनी हेज्या लागून कितें सगळे यूथ काँग्रेसीचे आमचे वांगडी फाल्यांच्यान चेन हंगर स्ट्रायकाचेर वयतले आनी आमी दिसाक एक 50 जण आमचे युथाचे मेंबर जे आसा ते एवरी डे 50 जण बसतले हंगर स्ट्रायकाचेर तेजे बरोबर आमकां ट्रान्सपोर्टराचो तसोच जे पेंटर्स आसा हेंचो फाटिंबा आसतलो आनी तेवूय सगळे जाण थंय उपस्थित आसतले आनी हो जो स्ट्रायक आमी चेन हंगर स्ट्रायक जो आमी कंटिन्यू करतले इनडेफिनीट स्ट्रायकाचेर आमी हंगर स्ट्रायक करपाचो आमी निर्णय घेतलेलो आसा.
Sudhin said that he did not extract any monetary benefits from implementation of high security number plates. He said tender for these high security number plates was issued in 2005 when he was not the transport minister.
आज जे ह्या नंबर प्लेटीचे जे टेंडर काढला ते साधारण 2005 ताजे चालू जालें आनी ते सगळे सोपस्कार ताजे हांव येवचे पयलीं पूर्ण जाल्ले. मॉनिटरी बेनिफीट जर म्हाका मेळटलो आशिल्लो जाल्यार तेन्ना एग्रीमेंट सायन जावचे पयलीं मेळटलो आशिल्लो. आजच्या परिस्थितीत ती परिस्थिती ना, कारण प्रत्येकाचो विचार आसता की खंयची गोष्ट इम्प्लिमेंट केल्या नंतर ताका मंत्र्याक फायदो जालो काय कितें. खुबशे विचारांती अशें दिसून येता प्रत्येकाचो विशय मनात लोकांनी होच घेतिल्ले आसा की ढवळीकाराक कितें तरी हातूंतल्यान बरे फायदो आशिल्लो, बरो जर फायदो आशिल्लो आनी लोकांचें जर नुकसान करून हो फायदो म्हाका जाता आसत तर ढवळीकार केन्नाच असले गोश्टीक प्राधान्य दिना.
The transport minister said that the implementation of high-tech number plates was on the basis of Supreme Court directives and avoiding the order would be the contempt of the court.
जेन्ना मे म्हयन्यात 2009 एक सुप्रीम कोर्टाची ऑर्डर आयली म्हाका की 4 म्हयन्यांत हें इम्प्लिमेंटेशन जावपाक जाय, त्या खातीर त्या वेळार ती फायल हांव दवरूं शकलो ना आनी ही फायल म्हाका प्रोसेस करची पडली. 2000 ऑगस्टाचे 5 तारीख आमकां इम्प्लिमेंटेशन दिल्लें तें 7 ऑगस्टाक आमचे तरी जालें आसत आनी जर तें करूं नाशिल्लें जाल्यार इट इज अ कंटेम्प्ट ऑफ द कोर्ट जातलें आशिल्लें. युनियन मिनिस्ट्री इज व्हेरी फर्म ऑन दीस and Supreme Court is guiding time to the Union Ministry and त्या खातीर it is very difficult to stop at this stage this high security number plate. गोंय जरी तें पयले फावट सुरू जाली असो जो हे आसा निशेध करता आनी जो रेट 1200 रुपया 600 रुपया आसा अशें म्हणटात, तर बाकीचे रोड जेन्ना आमी कंपेर केले इट इज सिमिलर टू दॅट आणि हे मॅडिटरी आसा प्रत्येकान हे करून घेवपाचें.
BJP Yuvak Sangh organized a morcha against the high-tech number plates at Ponda. The morcha was a part of their week-long agitation against the HSRP. BJP members shouted slogans and burnt an effigy of Sudin Daulikar. Sudin was unhappy with these acts of some political parties. A senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kandolkar, with video journalist Ganesh Hotkar, and from Ponda, Vivek Prabhu.
Around 3,000 casino employees on Wednesday held a massive rally in Panji to protest against the hike in entry fee of casinos from Rs 200 to Rs 2,000. Casino employees also submitted a memorandum to Chief Minister Digambar Kamath and Home Minister Ravi Naik. They also suggested an alternative to stop Goans entering the casinos.
Casino employees of both onshore and offshore casinos held a massive rally in Panji. Casino employees appealed the government to consider their request to reduce entry fee from Rs 2,000 to 200 in order to save their jobs. They also suggested an alternative mode to restrict Goans from entering casinos. Casino employees also suggested increase in the age limit of persons entering casinos from 18 to 21 years and requested to stop targeting casinos for ulterior motives.
But now he has said that he is going to cooperate with us. We are trying to make a mechanism through which there are certain people having certain amount of net worth, who local people who will be having net worth, who will be coming into the casinos. Only those people will be allowed to come in the casinos. For example, if I working anywhere else, I am having a net worth of maybe I am paying an annual tax of 25 to 30,000 rupees, annual tax and income tax. I will be providing my tax documentation to the government. The government will be giving me an ID card where I can go ahead, through which I can go ahead and enter the casinos anywhere in Goa as a local. For the tourists, there is absolutely no barring to enter the casinos.
Casino employees also fear that they may lose their job due to decrease in the customer inflow on casinos after government increased the entry fee. Speaking to Prudent Media, Archana Sanjeev expressed her fear of losing job.
We all are come here today to speak about this 2,000 rupees hike in entry tax, which we all disagree, and we feel it has to be reduced, and it's really affecting us. If the company does not make, it's equally going to affect all of us, and the company is not going to make any profits, and we'll be jobless, and I don't know, it's really going to affect our family.
Feared casino workers today hold a massive rally in Panjim city to protest against the government decision to hike entry fee from 200 to 2,000 rupees. They fear that they may lose their livelihood if the fees are not brought down. But the government has its own reason to ban Goan to enter into casinos. It's now once again it is a headache for Chief Minister Digambar Kamath to take a appropriate decision. In Panjim, Murari Shetye with video journalist Anil Sanadi for Prudent Media.
The Sarpanch and Deputy Sarpanch from all the Panchayats have united under a new banner called the All Goa Panchayat Democratic Forum with the aim of giving more teeth to the ongoing movement against the Goa Panchayat Raj Amendment Bill. After seeking the assurance of the Governor, the forum will now submit a memorandum to the Chief Minister Digambar Kamath to press for the removal of the said bill. The Sarpanch and Deputy Sarpanch from across the state came together under a new banner called the All Goa Panchayat Democratic Forum to voice their opposition to Goa Panchayat Raj Amendment Bill. According to President of the Forum, Joseph Sikvera, the reason for forming the forum is the government's constant interference in smooth functioning of the panchayats.
Interest of the panchayat in Goa. Basically, why we formed this is that the government is not operating its block advisory committees, the panchayat parishads, and we are being held to ransom in the year